Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access, or the Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet access in your laptop or PC. So there might be some kind of problem like this, that you have your connection proper but there is no internet connection that might serve your. So let me show you what we can do for it. So if we just head over to any browser and we don't have any access to internet, so suppose I'm disconnecting it. So if I search for anything, like, let's go to this one, and it will show like this: there's no internet, but you might see that you have your internet connection properly. So what's the problem that's happened? So there are some fixes for that. So let me show you the first one. The first one is DNS and proxy server. So check your DNS and proxy server. So to do that, let's tap on search and type here that control panel, or you might find it after typing C, open it. And here go to network and internet. And here you will find the internet options. And from here, check your proxy server, if it is connected to a proxy server or not. If it is connected, then just uncheck it and go back. And once you do it, just here you have to go to your internet icon right here on the lower right corner. Tap on it. You have to right click on it, and here click on open network and internet settings. And from here you will find the option network sharing center. So go here, and here just check out if your network is working. So let me connect my network, and here go to network sharing center again. And here, if I just right click on my internet connection, here go to properties, and here change the internet protocol version 4. So right click on it. So make sure that if your layout looks like that, use a following IP address and select it to something like this, then please make it to obtain an IP address automatically. It will just take any IP address automatically and just work perfectly. Once you're done with it, tap on OK. So yeah, and go back and check your internet connection again if it is working. Most probably the internet connection by now might be working on your laptop or PC, whatever you are using. So this was the first method. The second method is you have to use your network troubleshooter. So how to use that? You have to right click on your internet icon on the lower right corner, and here this layout will appear. Go to troubleshoot problems. Once you click it, your network adapter will detect the problems in your network adapter automatically. So once it is done, just check mark on all network adapters and tap on next. And now it is detecting problems in all of the network adapters of yours. And here you have to give what sort of problem you're having. Like, I'm trying to reach a specific website or folder or a network. So you have to give that folder's IP address and then tap on next. Mostly it just gives you, if there is any problem after troubleshooting, it will give you a layout like it will mend the problems by its own. So you have to tap on yes or finish. So by then your network troubleshooter will just make your internet work again, and you might give it a try. So this was the second one, and the third one is network reset. So how we can network reset? Just right click on your network icon and open network and internet settings. So from here, go to network. So from here, go to network reset. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to here with the say task. This will remove then you will install all your network adapters and then set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterward, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. And once it is just done, tap on reset now and it will reset your network adapter and your PC might turn off itself and then restart again. So this was the third one. And the fourth one is fix your socket errors, reset it logs, and DNS. So what we need to do is go to the search icon, or you can also just press your key of your Windows and R key. It will give this run option, and you can also search it from here. Just type RUN and open it up. And in here, you have to give certain command prompts. So before that, just you can run it on, or you can also just directly go to CMD or command prompt, open it. And here you have to serially give some command inputs. Like, let me show you, it's in my notepad. So the first one is you have to just take it here, copy it, and paste it in here. And just tap on enter. And here some work will be done. And then again, repeat this. And to clear your DNS cache, just go to write ipconfig // DNS. And to renew your IP configuration, first just write ipconfig / release. And second one you have to just write is IP configuration and / renew. So, and the fourth one, to clear your IPv4 log, you have to write an etshint IPv4 reset log.txt. All these command prompts will be given in the description box. Please check it out and use it on your own. So this will all just reset your logs, DNS, and all the other network adapter settings, and after that your network connection will work again. And yeah, and the last one is update or reinstall the network adapter. So in here you have to just search for the run, and in here just search for devngmt.msc. I will give it in the description box. So check it from there, tap on OK. And it will take you to this option right here. And from here, just go to display adapters. And here you have to go to network adapters. And here check out your network adapter and right click on the adapter which you are using. And once you right click on it, this layout will arrive. Tap on update driver. And if you just give search automatically for drivers, it won't work because there is no internet connection, right? So you have to just go for browse my computer for drivers and then select your desired driver to reinstall. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just fix your network problem. Hopefully all these 5 fixes will work, and if it doesn't, you can also comment it, and we'll just hopefully give you a solution for it. So yeah, this is for today. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.